Let's be absolutely real for a second. Taking those epic long-form videos and chopping them into snackable short clips is hands down one of the single most impactful growth strategies you can implement right now across all your channels. Seriously, with shorts, reels, and TikToks dominating consumption habits, attention spans are microscopically short these days. So if you aren't breaking down that great long content into quick, digestible moments, you are inadvertently leaving massive potential audiences completely untapped. The truly frustrating part about this whole necessary process is that not every single platform offers you a seamless and totally reliable built-in mechanism for automatically editing those highlights into short-form gold. You see a few tools that promise the world, but they often end up being either unnecessarily clunky, prohibitively expensive for creators, or they still force you into a tedious amount of manual trimming and fine-tuning. And this, my friends, is precisely the exact moment where a fantastic tool called Vizard steps onto the scene, and today I'm going to meticulously walk you through the entire simple process of leveraging it to turn massive videos into post-ready clips in just a handful of effortless clicks. All right, let's get started, and the very first thing you absolutely must do is click the very first link that I have placed down below in the description box to join me over at the Vizard platform. This is the groundbreaking AI-powered editor, specifically engineered to intelligently find those absolute best, most engaging moments hidden within your lengthy source videos and instantly transform them into clips that are primed for viral success. Once you arrive, go ahead and sign in or create your account so that we can immediately dive in and build a brand new project to show you exactly how this magic happens with a piece of content I recorded a little while ago. You actually have two primary options for sourcing your video material here. You can either directly upload your local MP4 file or, much more conveniently, paste in a full YouTube link, a Zoom recording URL, or virtually any other long-form video source you possess. Personally, I often lean towards pasting the entire episode link because Vizard's powerful algorithms do all the supremely difficult heavy lifting of automatically spotting the most valuable highlights for you right from the source. After your selected source file is successfully ingested into the system, Vizard immediately commences its thorough analysis across the entire duration of your video content. And this next part is genuinely the best feature of the entire application. The AI actively scans for key performance indicators like energetic spikes, genuine laughter, particularly insightful or interesting phrases, applause cues, and any sudden changes in speech pace that often correlate with short-form success. Within just a minute or two of analysis, it swiftly presents you with a curated list of suggested clips, usually ranging from just a few strong candidates to sometimes dozens, depending entirely on the original video's length. Crucially, every single suggestion comes complete with a small, quick preview window so you can instantly judge whether that specific clip contains enough value to warrant posting it out to your audience. Now, you can take your time to play through all those initial suggestions and simply hand-pick the ones that resonate the most with your content goals and overall vibe. What I genuinely appreciate is that the tool doesn't just carelessly spit out random, uncontextualized 10-second segments. It actively tries to isolate moments that stand alone powerfully as complete, standalone narrative pieces. This means it targets punchlines, those critical aha breakthrough moments, quick actionable tips, or genuine emotional beats that really connect with viewers on a deeper level. If you find a segment that is almost absolutely perfect, but just requires one minuscule refinement, you have the full power to click and immediately edit those precise trim points to make it flawless. You can effortlessly adjust the in and out points, switch the aspect ratio to perfectly match different platforms. Think 9:16 for TikTok or Shorts, or 1:1 for a static Instagram feed post, and even select the absolute best frame to use as your video thumbnail. A significant pain point for so many creators revolves around the necessity of perfect captions and compelling titles, and rightly so, because these elements are critical for discovery. Vizard tackles this head-on by offering the ability to auto-generate incredibly accurate captions that precisely match the clip's timing, which is an engagement superpower since so many people watch content with the sound completely off. Furthermore, you retain full artistic control to customize the caption text itself, along with its font style, the size, the color, and even the specific animation effect that accompanies it on screen. I personally love dropping in a very short, curiosity-piquing hook line right on top, something like, "Wait for the best part," or "The ultimate tip is at the 12-second mark," to really maximize initial viewer retention. Naturally, if the AI happens to misinterpret a specific word, maybe a proper noun or a very niche technical term, you always have the option to manually jump into the transcript and make those necessary corrections, though that happens surprisingly infrequently. Another standout feature that truly differentiates Vizard from many other competing editors on the market today is its robust capability for true batch processing across multiple clips simultaneously. Imagine having a massive hour-long podcast recording and Vizard generates over 20 distinct clip suggestions automatically. You can then quickly give a thumbs up to the keepers, tweak a few details, and export them all in one synchronized go. That functionality represents an absolutely colossal expenditure of saved time when you compare it to the mind-numbing chore of manually scrubbing through the entire episode timeline in older tools like Premiere or even Descript. Now let's talk specifically about scheduling, because this is the area where Vizard really starts to shine intensely if your primary objective is maintaining a rock-solid commitment to consistent, regular posting. Instead of the terrible routine of exporting individual files and then manually uploading each one to every separate social platform, you can configure posting frequency directly within Vizard's sophisticated auto-schedule feature. You simply define how many clips you want to release per week, set your preferred windows of posting time, and the system will intelligently line up those ready clips and publish them without any further interaction from you, which is fantastic. Forget setting frantic reminders or the stress of scrambling to post exactly at those crucial peak engagement times, because the system handles all that time and complexity for you behind the scenes. And for the creators among us who absolutely must maintain a degree of final quality control, you always retain the crucial ability to review and provide final approval for every single scheduled clip before it actually goes live to the public. The integrated content calendar is another massive organizational lifesaver because it consolidates everything you have scheduled across all platforms into one single, easily digestible view. From this central hub, you can easily drag and drop items to reschedule them, add important internal notes to the posts, and even attach the finalized titles and descriptions specific to each individual destination platform. For any teams working together, this collaboration feature is absolutely clutch, allowing editors, social media managers, and the primary creators to work in sync without the nightmare of constantly emailing finalized clips back and forth. Contrast that seamless integration with what you find in many other competing tools, where you are forced into the painful process of manually uploading to some separate third-party scheduler or paying a significant extra premium just to unlock multi-platform publishing capabilities. Vizard, by design, bundles this entire necessary creation to publication workflow into one unified and surprisingly intuitive product. Let's conduct a quick, honest comparison here. You absolutely can use robust tools like Kapwing, Descript, or even the industry giant Premiere Pro to generate these short clips, but everyone carries distinct drawbacks. Kapwing excels at quick edits and adding captions on the fly, but it simply lacks that powerful, automated intelligence for discovering the truly viral moments without heavy manual input from your side. Descript is absolutely phenomenal when your primary mode of editing revolves around transcript manipulation, but if you specifically need automatic clip selection combined with native scheduling all in one interface, its core design simply doesn't prioritize that specific combination. Then there is Premiere, which grants you the ultimate granular level of creative control over every single pixel and transition, but that power comes at a significantly higher tariff of both dedicated time investment and sheer editing effort required. And when looking at standalone scheduling applications, many of them unfortunately introduce extra subscription tiers, charging you more for every additional social channel or severely limiting the total volume of posts you are allowed to automate. Vizard, while certainly not presented as some impossibly flawless piece of software, successfully hits that essential sweet spot for creators aiming for a nearly hands-off content pipeline that moves from the long master video straight through to multi-platform short distribution. It seamlessly bundles that automatic clip selection, the caption generation, the efficient batch exporting, and the direct scheduling all right there, inside one central operational hub. Returning to the practical output workflow, after I've finalized all my chosen segments, my next move is typically adding a concise 2-line written description and tagging a few highly relevant hashtags for better searchability. Here's a little pro tip that can significantly increase your click-through rate. Try overlaying a tiny piece of contextual text within those very first 1 or 2 seconds of the clip, so the viewer instantly grasps the subject matter. That minuscule amount of on-screen text actually helps the platform's algorithm understand your content's theme much faster, which can ultimately lead to better overall organic reach for that specific short. You must also ensure that the main title you assign for the platform includes your core keyword, or main topic, because the various algorithms still heavily rely on reading that title when determining content relevance for user feeds. Once you are completely satisfied with the clip's appearance and all its associated metadata, the final action is simply hitting that prominent export button to finalize the file creation process. If you have opted to utilize the auto-schedule feature we discussed, you'll select your predetermined publishing slots right there, and Vizard queues everything up perfectly for its future release time. For those who prefer the traditional method, there is an option for a clean local download that conveniently delivers the final video file to your computer, completely free of any distracting or ugly watermarks. From that point, you are free to manually cross-post the files across any remaining platforms, or you can simply let the Vizard scheduling service execute the posting on your behalf. My personal preference is to generally let the platform auto-post everything, and then I circle back later, usually after 48 hours, to meticulously review the analytics and see exactly which short clips generated the best audience reception. The really smart thing is that the AI actually learns from this performance data, meaning that over time it gets noticeably better and much more accurate at suggesting the types of specific moments that truly resonate with your unique audience base. Before we wrap this up, I need to mention the sheer flexibility of customization you retain throughout this entire process, because you are definitely not locked into accepting every single suggestion the AI throws your way. You have the freedom to easily tweak introductory hooks, make minor adjustments to the finalized captions, insert quick energetic jump cuts where needed, or even add a custom-branded intro sequence if that's your preferred style. Remember, the ultimate goal here isn't some unrealistic expectation that every single output clip will miraculously go viral. The real objective is providing you with a consistent, reliable pipeline of content that is certainly good enough to rigorously test and iterate upon without consuming all your precious editing hours. So to definitively summarize everything we've covered in this detailed walkthrough, transforming long videos into high-performing shorts is absolutely critical, but the manual process is incredibly draining and inefficient. Vizard empowers you to simply upload or paste a link. It then automatically detects the absolute best of potential moments, generates necessary captions, handles batch processing of all clips, and finally either exports them or schedules them directly onto your content calendar. When stacked up against the alternatives, this tool is fundamentally more geared towards providing that complete end-to-end publishing pipeline for creators who are serious about scaling their output without the immense overhead of hiring a dedicated editor or juggling half a dozen separate applications. If you found this comprehensive breakdown genuinely helpful for streamlining your future content strategy, please do hit that subscribe button so you never miss out on subsequent vital walkthroughs and tips. Seriously consider trying Vizard out for yourself today using that essential link provided in the description section to witness firsthand how quickly it can manage one of your own longer videos. Honestly, you can frequently have a solid week or two of short-form content completely ready within a single afternoon session. I'll be returning soon with more specialized content focused on optimizing those all-important thumbnails, perfecting your opening hooks, and diving deep into the analytics to ensure you are extracting every last drop of potential value from every single clip you publish. That's all for this session. I sincerely look forward to seeing you thrive in the next video, where we continue to unpack more growth secrets.